Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the lifelong soft touch rechargeable multi trimmer for women. The model number for this particular trimmer is LLPCW30. You can see from the image over here what this particular trimmer is going to look like, and it also comes with 3 attachments, which are the facial trimmer, the bikini trimmer and the eyebrow trimmer. There, I'll give you a closer look. Obviously we'll take a look at each of these attachments soon enough. On this side it says that this particular trimmer comes with 60 minutes of usage time, has rechargeable batteries, waterproof heads, and it can be powered by USB cable. More or less the same information on this side. So once again, this particular trimmer is aimed primarily at women. Let's just open this box and show you what's inside. That's it, these are the containers of this box. Alright, so this is a 6 months warranty card from Lifelong. Okay, great addition. And we also have a user manual from Lifelong. So this is what it looks like. So anything that you need to know about this particular device, you can refer to this particular manual. And this is what comes inside the box. This comes with this nice tray as well, so you can use this particular tray to store this particular trimmer. Let's just take them out and then show them to you one by one. So this is it. This is what comes inside the box. We have a lot of head attachments. There is a cleaning comb for this when you want to clean the motor that runs this particular trimmer. So sometimes you have to do that. So this cleaning comb is for that purpose. This is the USB-A charging cable. Charging and powering cable for this particular trimmer. There you can see this is a charging cable for this particular trimmer. So this is the bikini trimmer. It comes with this particular transparent cover as well. So this is the bikini trimmer. This is one attachment. The other attachment is this one. This is called the eyebrow trimmer. There you can see this is the, I'll give a closer look. This is the eyebrow trimmer. And this is the cover for this as well. So this is the cover for this particular eyebrow trimmer. So this is what the trimmer looks like. It has a nice ergonomic design. There's an ergonomic grip over here. And this particular head is called the facial trimmer. This is for trimming all the facial hair. Like I said, this is primarily aimed at women. And to turn it on, you just have to twist this particular part over here. So when you twist, there you can see, you can hear it now. It's turned on. And you can now use it for removing whatever kind of hair you want to. If you want to remove this particular attachment, all you have to do is to see these markers over here. You just have to match these markers. So not just the head, but the motor part is also removable. So this is how you remove the head, and this is how you remove this particular motor as well. So if you want to clean this particular part, you can now do it. Now you attach other heads like so. Alright, let me try and do it. Not happening. There you go. So I've attached the bikini trimmer to it, the bikini trimmer attachment to it, and now you can trim other parts of your body. And similar with the eyebrow trimmer, I'm going to remove this first. I've removed it now, and I'm going to put this particular trimmer in, this particular attachment in. How do I do that? Like this. There you go. And this is how you attach the eyebrow trimmer. Let's just put these things back. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the lifelong soft touch rechargeable multi trimmer for women. Thank you for watching.